Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Discover Inspo. Welcome to our journey into the heart of wood, where the incident craft of carving takes on view a new and surprising form. Forget traditional description. Today we explore the realm and abstract wood art where imaginations and the natural beauty of timber intertwine. There are not just carving, they are three-dimensional poems, silent stories, each in grain and textures. Abstract wood carvings speaks a language beyond recognizable shapes. It's about form and flow and the intriguing dance between light and shadow across sculpture surfaces. Imagine a curves that seems to breathe, sharp angles that command attentions, and textures that invite your touch. Artist in his journey delve deep into the essence of the word itself, revealing hidden patterns and inherent character. They quote out unexpected silhouettes, playing with negative space and the raw, untamed spirit of the materials. Each piece is a unique explorations and emotional landscape rendered in three dimensions. The beauty lies in their its interpretations, inviting each viewers to find their own meaning with the intricate interplay of lines and volumes. Beyond abstractions, contemporary wood carving embraces innovations in design. Think seamlessly of carving that incorporate mixed media, seamlessly blending wood with metal, glass, or even food. Found objects. Consider pieces that challenge tradition notions of scales and functions, becoming interactions, sculptures, or element of architecture's designs. Unique wood carving design often pushes the boundaries of technique, employing method both incident and cutting edge to achieve breathtaking result. We make see intricate lattice work that defies gravity, organic form that mimic nature's complexity, and bold geometric compositions that exude modern elegance. These are carving that sparks conversations that become a focal point and that demonstrate the enduring versatility of word as an artistic medium. That they are testaments to the boundless creativity of the human spirit expressed through the enduring beauty of timbers. From the evocative language of abstract forms to the innovative spirit of unique designs, wood carving continues to involve and inspire. It reminds us of the inherent beauty in natural materials and the transformative power of human artistry. We hope this brief glimpse into the world of contemporary wood carving has sparked your imagination and appreciation for this timeless craft. Thanks you for joining. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.